10-minute exercise, 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest, 10 rounds. Short on time, do one. More time, do a couple. Let's start. Remember, no pain. Next exercise, child's pose. 3, 2, 1. Start working. Arms overhead, big toe planted to stretch the arch of the foot. Gentle tension, wiggle a bit, and no pain. Don't work so hard. Enjoy the day. Halfway. Listen to your heart. Be aware of your body. Live in the moment. Exercise can be social or solo. You choose. 10 more seconds. You can do this. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise, downward dog. 3, 2, 1. Start working. Hips up, gentle weight through the hands and the backs of your legs. If it doesn't feel right, don't do it. Do something else. One moment of courage will change your day, your life, and the world. Halfway. Focus on your calm heart. Be true to yourself. Don't work so hard. Exercise can help you find courage, and we all need courage. 10 more seconds. Almost there. You're doing great. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise, static plank. 3, 2, 1. Start working. Just hold the top of the push-up position. Straight body, no sagging. Keep breathing. Wiggle a bit. Close your eyes if you want. Express your feelings. Stay in touch with friends. Halfway. Emotions are action signals. What are they telling you? Have courage. Follow your heart. Exercises should be fun. Don't work so hard. 10 more seconds. Couple more reps. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise, upward facing dog or cobra. 3, 2, 1. Start working. Push the shoulders up. Feel the gentle tension. Listen to your body and stay comfortable. Go slow and build up. Step outside your comfort zone. Live your true self. Halfway. Fake it. Smile. Your brain won't know the difference and you'll be happier. Exercise comes easier for some, but work at your own level. 10 more seconds. Remember why you're doing this. Dig deep. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise is the 4-point arm and leg raise. 3, 2, 1. Start working. Stay in control. Slowly lift out long. Lift up high. Slowly come back down. Quality, not quantity. Closing your eyes makes it harder. Be the change you want to see in the world. Halfway. Not perfect, not always success, but always moving in the right direction. Exercise helps us find balance and moderation. 10 more seconds. Finish strong, almost there. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise is a table bridge or glute bridge. 3, 2, 1, start working. On your back, lift your hips up. Gentle tension, keep breathing, and most of all, no pain. Have courage to follow your beliefs, your value, your heart. Halfway, honor, integrity, resilience, they're all in your heart. Do the right thing. Exercise reminds us that social media is not real life. 10 more seconds. Hard work wins every time. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise is a static squat with an overhead reach. 3, 2, 1, start working. Hips down and back, arms up high. Try closing your eyes. Try wiggling your toes. Keep breathing. Forget your feelings. Don't think, just do it. Halfway. Learn from this. Fail faster. Do better next time. Exercise helps us live with fewer regrets. 10 more seconds. Follow your dreams. Do this. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise is alternating crescent pose, reaching overhead. 3, 2, 1, start working. Step forward with control and reach up. Stay in control of your movements. If you need to rest, rest. The movement you have an instinct to act, move physically upon it. Halfway. In the middle of stress, just breathe in and out. Be the calm one. Exercise helps you move towards your goals. No baloney. 10 more seconds. You got this. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise is a standing forward hang. 3, 2, 1, start working. Gentle tension through your spine, through your arms, through your legs. Feel the stretch. Breathe deeply. Relax. Enjoy. You'll never feel like it. You've got to push yourself to do it. Halfway. Notice. Be in the moment. Be calm. You've got this. Exercise helps us leave the world a better place. 10 more seconds. One more round of this stuff. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, standing back bends, reaching overhead. 3, 2, 1, start working. Stand up tall, go back as far as you feel comfortable, and reach up overhead. Breathing, stretching, wiggle a little bit. It's all good. Take little steps, push yourself a little bit, build momentum. Halfway. Before I can live with others, I have to live with myself. I have to have the courage to be my true self. Exercise helps us reduce anger and be at peace. 10 more seconds. Well done. I'm proud of you. 3, 2, 1, rest. Well done. Thanks for doing 10-minute exercise. Do another routine here, or I'll see you tomorrow. Keep the momentum going. Do something every day, pain-free. Let me know what you think. Peace.